Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see a very small program to print cubes of numbers. Okay, so in order to do that, here I have given an empty list named cubes, and I have used a for loop here. So for number, this number is a temporary variable in range of. You know about this range of function? If you doesn't know what is the range of function, you just go and watch that video. I have already included the link in description box. Then you can come back here and follow the rest. For others, you can just follow me now. And in range of 1, comma 11. So 1 is our starting number and 11 is our ending number. So our sequence of number will be from 1 to 10. The last number will not be included. You know that, right? Fine. And we have just given, so number is equal to number, this 2 multiplication symbol used to represent exponents, and 3. What does it means? Number to the power 3. So our first number is 1, right? So 1 power 3 is 1. So the number is equal to 1. And we are going to append that number inside this cubes, the list, right? So for doing that, cube dot append of, we are just passing this number in. So now this cube of list will have first number, it is 1. 1 cube is 1, right? So then again it runs. Our second number, it is 2. So now the number is equal to 2. So 2 power 3, it is 8. And now 8 is appended inside this cube list. And our third number, 3. So 3 cube 3. Likewise, it continues till 10. So now the number is 10. And 10 power 3 is 1000. And cube dot append of 1000. Number is 1000, right? So append of 1000. Now it will be included inside the cube. And this for loop will be completely done. Okay. And now we have already find all that thing. And we can just print this. Okay. Print cubes. So you can see a list. Completely you have a cube of numbers starting from 1 to 10. Okay. And now, so now it is a list. Okay. So now how we have to access single values inside the list? You know that using a for loop. Again, I have written a second for loop, that is for value. Value is a temporary variable in cubes. Okay. So for every value, it is going to print that value. So first our value will be 1. So we are just printing 1. Then it goes back to for loop once again. Second value is 2 cube is what? Yes. It is 8. So the 8 will be printed. Then 3 cube. It is 27. Then 4 cube, 64, till at last 1000. Now, I have just completed all our thing. Now in this line, value is equal to value into 5. But this line is not intended. So it is not part of the for loop. Then how it will work? So the thing is, in Python, if we are going to create that temporary variable, it is not only available to this loop. It can be used anywhere else also. So here value is equal to, but the thing is the recent value. At the end of this for loop, the recent value is 1000. So here the 1000 could be used. So value is equal to value into. So if value into 5, yes, 1000 into 5. And if you are going to print the value, we are going to get 5000. So that's it. So always remember, inside that for loop, a temporary variable could be used elsewhere with a recent value. So that's it, friends. I hope you really understand. So try this program once and you try to create your own program, something similar to this, and just play around with this. So yes, friends, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye-bye. Take care.